My opinion, the three most important things that consumers need to look out while buying headphones. One, definitely the need, the usage, as in what's their requirement. Is it for exercising? Is it for some heavy metal training? Is it professional headphones? What is it that they require? Do they need the extra punchy bass? One is definitely the usage, the need. They need to be very clear about the requirement. Second, I definitely feel it should be the comfort. The comfort is of utmost importance because you're wearing the headphones for a long duration, and they need to be comfortable on your ear cushions. So, comfort is of utmost importance. And the third most important thing would be how they sound. Headphones and sound just go hand in hand. So you need to know how they feel. How does the music feel? Yeah. Wireless definitely has an advantage over wired, is because you can walk the world free of cables. There's no tangling of any wires. It's portable. Portability is the biggest factor of being wireless. Also, you see the standard headphones that come out in the market, these standard audio headphones, which are wireless. They can be connected to your home audio systems or your hi-fi systems, but come with a lesser number of features, and they're very light on the pocket. While you also have a range of the Bluetooth headphones out there, which are wireless, give you a lot more features like noise cancellation. They can also have longer battery life and rechargeable batteries, etc. This is a very important question. The only reason being, a lot of consumers actually think the bigger the size of the driver unit, the better is the music output. But that's not necessarily the case. The driver, like I say, it's a speaker inside your headphone. So the driver, the bigger the driver, the bigger is the speaker. So the more powerful is the output. But that does not necessarily mean it's louder or it's better output. So if you have a driver in your micro earphone and you have a driver in the headphone, the maximum volume at which you listen to music is going to be the same. The only difference where the size of a driver would matter is you get to hear a very clean bass in the music, but not really the loudness in the music. The material of the ear cups is of very high importance in our headphones because definitely it's going to impact the ear cushions. So normal headphones use memory foam, and these memory foams are made of varying densities. So the material of the foam that is being used inside a leather, or like an artificial leather, synthetic leather, or the real leather, or your polyester or nylon fabric, this basically gives the cushioning to your ear cushions, and these also give you good clamping support and structural support to your head. So it's very important what kind of material is being used for the ear cushions. Sony does have a variety of headphones that caters to every consumer need. For example, if you're a frequent traveler, then you can use Sony's MDR 1000X, which is their latest addition to the noise cancellation wireless Bluetooth model. We also do have other Bluetooth wireless models that Sony offers. We have, for audiophiles specifically, the high-res audio-compatible headphones, which are our flagship series of MDR 1A, MDR 1A BT, etc. For a younger generation, we do have the Hear Color series. Like you can see here, you have the high-res audio-compatible headphones, MDR 100 ABN, which comes in 3 different colors. We also have extra bass headphones now that gives you that punchy bass in your music. This is targeted to a very young audience from around 18 to 25 years old. They come in a range of colors as well, and they're typically XB650BT, the XB450AP, etc. For active sports enthusiasts, you have people who work out daily. We do have a range of headphones even in that category. You have XB80BS for the heavy weights training kind of person. You have XB70BT, XB50BS for your joggers. And we also have a lot of headphones that are mid and low range with mics and without mics. In addition to all these headphones, you also have earphones that Sony offers, and at different price points, basically making every customer out there happy. Okay, so if you don't have a unit on demonstration at the storefront, now internet is a rage these days. You always have tech bloggers, lifestyle bloggers, you have a lot of articles online which can definitely give you a very detailed description of any product that's available in the market. They do give you product comparisons with different brands. They also mention about the technical, the aesthetic aspects, and they also give you the price points. So a definite go would be to check these online reviews before you purchase any model. No problems if you don't know about these bloggers or the articles that you need to check online. You can also visit the company's website to understand which products do they offer. If you already have a brand in mind, then it's even easier to check the different products that they offer and also see the product comparisons between one product and other products of the same brand. Last but not the least, you have friends, you have family who can always recommend a good pair of headphones for you, because I believe nowadays people are very knowledgeable about all the music products in the market. I absolutely love the MDR 1000X. The MDR 1000X is Sony's new noise cancellation headphones. For me, music is of utmost importance. I travel a lot, so these really give me that kind of privacy which I die for. So this cuts out the noise completely. And you know what's the best part about these headphones? Like when I wear them on, so this totally cuts out the noise, and I hear only my music, and it's amazing music quality. Now I can't listen to anyone out here, but if I have to listen to the attendant on a flight, I just have to keep my hands on the right housing like this, and I can hear what she has to say. I don't need to get my headphones out to talk to her. And that's what I love about these headphones. They're nice, they're sleek, they've got minimal branding, and it looks luxurious.